Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am Brenda. So it is Friday morning, so I'm up, get ready to brush my teeth, wash my face.
Try to hang, but the game too much. What you about? What you about? I'm the best from the south. I done ran my V up, F what it costs, and you boys better D up, slim, run the route, too clutch. Try to hang, but the game too much. What you about? Throw a fit like a toddler with no problem. A gold brooch by the collar, the wrist follow. My instincts say the ball on him. Rush a call on him. If he play, put pause on him. White gauze on him. Still on me, Mike Tomlin. I keep eyes on him. When you staring at the best, it'll take pride from him. Slim cooking up a meal.
All right, good morning. So I'm up, so I'm in my kitchen. I'm getting ready to make me some coffee. So today's Friday. So hubby is probably gonna be off. Y'all, excuse my kitchen. It has been one of them days. So I think what I'm gonna do this morning, is I'm gonna load this dishwasher with whatever little bit of dishes I do have, because I don't feel like washing no dishes.
Better D up, slim, run the route, too clutch. Try to hang, but the game too much. What you about?
What you about? I'm the best from the south. I done ran my V up, F what it costs, and you boys better D up, slim, run the route, too clutch. Try to hang, but the game too much. What you about?
S-L-I to the M, let them know. Yes, the world is mine, and I'm still after more. And he can testify that he will bring the dough, and he still been the go, and he still after more. S-L-I to the M, let them know. Yes, the world is mine, and I'm still after more. And he can testify that he will bring the dough, and he still been the go, and he still after more.
What you about? I'm the best from the south. I done ran my V up, F what it costs, and you boys better D up, slim, run the route, too clutch. Try to hang, but the game too much. What you about? What you about?
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go. About all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go.
All right, so I'm getting ready to have me some breakfast. I think I'm gonna have this garlic chicken sausage here. And then I also want me some scrambled egg. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I want this chicken sausage. I had hubby buy these because this is something that I wanted. So I'm going to put them in the microwave and defrost them. I'm going to defrost my sausage. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my little pan out for my scrambled egg. Because this is what I want. Hold on, I'm trying to prop y'all up kind of high. shaky so y'all can see me. I'm not bringing down my tripod. That's something I won't do, is bring down the tripod. So I'm trying to find a place to sit y'all comfortably. All right, so I'm getting ready to make my breakfast. So I'm gonna make me some garlic chicken sausage that my husband bought me. And then I have me some scrambled egg here. So that's what we're gonna have. So let me go ahead and get that going, because when I tell you I'm hungry, I'm hungry. All right, so I got my little bowl here. Where's on my stove? So I'm gonna do 2 scrambled eggs. These eggs here we got from a new person. The lady we usually get eggs from, something happened with her. She didn't act like she remembered that we was getting eggs from her. And then this new person, oh, I don't understand. His eggs just look so weird to me. Hold on, I'm gonna show you his eggs. Because I was telling my hubby, I was like, something's up with his eggs. Hold on, y'all. Every time I bust one of his eggs, this is what it looks like and this is what it does. Now, I don't know if that's what it should be doing. It don't smell bad, but that's just how it does. I don't know if that's how the eggs are supposed to do, but I won't eat it. I throw it away because I'm used to my yolk staying together and not looking like that. So I don't know. I don't know. I just find myself afraid to eat the egg when it looks like that. I don't know. I know hubby gonna fuss at me, but I'm not gonna eat that egg when it look like that. I don't know. I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not eating it. I mean, if he wanna eat it, he can eat it. I'm not eating that egg when it looks like that. We got about 4 dozen from the guy, but my thing is, why are the eggs doing that? I mean, why are they falling apart like that? I'm just not used to the eggs doing that. So prayerfully, and they're so little. I've never seen eggs so small. These eggs are so daggone small. Now that one didn't fall apart too bad, but I mean, they, like this one here, the stuff just shooting out. Oh hell no. We can't get eggs from this guy no more. Y'all look. This is his eggs. I can't do that. I can't. No, I don't want these eggs. All right, so I'm back. So out of 10 eggs, I could only use 2 of the eggs. So no, I won't be getting eggs from this guy anymore. So we're gonna have to find us somebody else to get fresh eggs from, because I'm funny about my eggs. I'm not getting eggs from anybody that I can't use the eggs. Yeah, they were only $3 a dozen, but I don't care. I still need to be able to use the eggs if I'm gonna spend my $3. And we bought 4 dozen eggs. Hold on, what am I doing? We bought 3 dozen eggs, and when I done spent my money, I want to be able to use my eggs, you know? Because I use these eggs for baking and everything, you know? So, I was going to bake a cake, but I can't bake no cake if the eggs are like that. Ooh, child. So this is the sausage that hubby and I got when we went out the other day. Doesn't that look good? This is the, what's the name of it? This is the garlic chicken sausage. All right, so I have just finished up my breakfast. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm not eating yet, so I'm gonna wait on hubby to get here, but I'll show you what I got cooked. Hold on. All right, so here is our bread. So these are the hot dog buns that I made a couple of weeks back. This is a biscuit I made yesterday morning's fresh biscuits. These are the hot dog buns. This is one that I cut in half, and this is a whole one. These are my scrambled eggs, and these are the sausage. So I'm just waiting on hubby to get here so he and I can eat together. And then here I have my coffee made. I'm still trying to take the rest of my medicine. And so yeah, so when hubby gets here, he and I will go ahead and, hold on. So when hubby gets here, he and I'll go ahead and have our breakfast together, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do for the day. So what I think I wanna do today, I do want something sweet. So here here is my new recipe booklet, y'all. I ordered. Let me show you my book. Make sure my counter is nice and clean. So this is my recipe booklet. Let me stand y'all up. Hold on. Put a light on. So this is my, hold on. This is my recipe booklet here. Okay, so this is the recipe book that I ordered. Cooking with Love. That's the front cover. This is what it looks like from the side. And then this is the back. It says Recipes from the Heart. And this book here, I ordered off of Amazon because I wanted a way to store all of the recipes that I do. Because I do a lot of recipes. I do a lot of cooking. And I wanted a way to keep all my recipes in one place. And I love the fact that this book comes with a plastic cover. And this cover does protect the booklet so that if I spill anything, all I can do is just wipe it down. When you open the book, it has all of your conversions in there. And that is something that I definitely love. I love the conversions on this book. And then everything has these tables in here, these dividers. And then each page for you to put your recipes in, this is what it looks like. So it has a decent amount of room for you to write the ingredients, the directions and notes and everything. And I love the fact that it is front and back. So I do love that. And then what I also love, hold on y'all. Let me try and point the camera down a little. What I also love is in the very back of this book is what we call emergency substitutions. Now with emergency substitutions, it gives you options. Hold on, let me pick up my camera so I can show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Emergency substitutions, it gives you things that you can use if you don't have something. So for example, if I don't have allspice and I need a teaspoon of allspice, in an emergency situation, I can use a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a fourth a teaspoon of ginger, and a fourth teaspoon of cloves in the place of allspice. I love this thing. I absolutely love it. Cream of tartar. I can use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar. So it is definitely a actually good thing to have. And I love this thing, and I love the fact that all of my recipes are stored in these little sleeves here for protection. And this is the absolute best thing ever. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to order another one of these. Well, I'm going to order a book for each of my daughters, for my girls, so that they can actually have a book like this, because I think this is the best thing to have to pass down, because these are the American cups to grams conversion chart, the volume measurement conversion, and then it also has the grams rounded to the closest equivalent, and then the temperature, and then the jar measurements as well. So I love, love, love the conversion table in this book, because as you know, if you don't know, when I bake bread, I use a scale. So we definitely bake bread based on a scale. So I use grams. So anytime I'm baking bread, I'm not using cup measures, I'm using the grams, because I'm using the scale. So this is definitely very, very, very helpful. And it helps me also, so if I want to convert a recipe where I'm using a scale, 2 cups, it definitely is right here. It makes it a lot easier. So this is a really nice book to have. Hold on. If you're looking for something, I got this book right off of Amazon. And this is the best thing ever. And I think it's going to make a perfect gift for my daughters. And I have it sitting right here by my coffee pot with my other cookbooks. This here book here is my Louisiana cookbook hubby ordered. This is a book that he had used before, and it definitely has a lot of good recipes in it. We reach for this book all the time. And then this book here is the Southern Living Cookbook that I've had for years. And as you can see, I have recipes written in this book that I definitely use. So these recipes I will be transferring to this cookbook here. And so yeah, I keep my books right here, my cookbooks here. I keep them right there because again, I reach for my books and they're right here in the kitchen where I need them. Okay. So anyway, I'm just waiting on hubby to get here. So once he gets here, we're going to sit down and enjoy our breakfast together. And then we're going to see what we're going to get into and kind of like see what our weekend is going to look like. So I'll pull you all back up in a bit. This is breakfast for me. So I'm going to put some grape jelly on this biscuit. Scrambled egg and my chicken sausage. So hubby is here. So we're going to eat. All right, guys. So I have had my breakfast. Hubby is here. So I think he's getting ready to go out in the woods, hot as it is. Getting his hunting stuff ready. But he can do whatever. I'm going to sit down today. I think I'm going to watch some TV. I really don't have to cook dinner. All I need to do is make some jasmine rice, make some fresh string beans to go with the roast I made yesterday. And right now I'm just going to sit down, watch a little TV, and put my feet up for a little bit. So I'll pull you all back up in a bit.